Hi friends, welcome to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to make vegetable rice. This can be prepared in under 10-15 minutes. Here's a list of ingredients. I've taken a cooker and keeping the flame on medium high. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. Once you hear the sputter sound, reduce the flame to low and add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute for a minute. Now add the crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes and you'll get a nice aroma. To this, add 5 to 6 chopped beans. Add some salt and saute for a minute. Now add chopped carrot and potato, 1 each. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 cups of water and let it boil. Add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Some salt and mix well. Now add 1 cup of basmati rice. Increase the flame to high and cook for 1 whistle. And now, easy and tasty vegetable rice is ready. Thank you for watching.